Was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall.
Welcome back, guys, to my channel. And today I'm doing another dorm haul. I recently filmed another dorm haul, which I should go check out. And there should be at least one more dorm haul after this video. So yeah, that's enough talking. I'm gonna get into the video. And if you don't know, my theme for my dorm is, like, not my theme, but my color scheme is neon green, black, and white, which you won't see much of that in my dorm hall today, but you'll see why in a second. So the first thing I have is some hand sanitizer. Yeah, I got some from the dollar store. Next, I got some bag chip clips from the dollar store as well, so when I have like my snacks and stuff open. And then I got a lint roller from the dollar store as well. Just know it's a lint roller. And next, probably in some more fun stuff, I got 2 cups. As you can see, I just got both gray. I wanted black, but I thought that was a little suspect because I won't be able to see what's in. I'll know what's in it, but you know what I'm saying, if something's like inside of it or it's dirty or whatever the case may be. And then I also got 2 bowls that are gray, and I got 2 plates that are gray. But let me put y'all on. The plates and stuff, the same exact stuff you see in every single dorm hall. It's not a dorm hall if you don't see those plates, number one. But yeah, everybody gets them from Target. Target sells them for 79 cents, and that's great, good deal, snag a deal, all that great stuff. But I got them at Walmart for 50 cents. 50 cents. Yeah, but I got them at Walmart for 50 cents. 50. That's 29 cents you could be saving. Okay? Okay, I'll put you on. So yeah. All gray. Because all the other colors they had just weren't like my vibe. Like pink and blue and stuff like that. Next thing I got was this Turby twist. It comes with the actual Turby twist. Like the towel that's better for your hair. And then you have a shower cap that comes with it. And that was from Bed Bath & Beyond. And another thing I got from the dollar store was a can opener to open up my tea. Not the tea, but like the evaporated milk or the half and half or whatever. The next item is from TJ Maxx. The girl switching it up. I got a dustpan. It's marble. That's it. I'm pretty sure that my roommate is getting, my sweet mate is getting the broom. So I just got a little broom. And it was like $1 or something from TJ Maxx, and that's really why I got it, and that's kind of cute. And the next thing I got is a shower caddy from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got this shower caddy instead of the plastic, like the big bulky shower caddies. Because if it's empty, it's easy to store somewhere. Or even when it's like in the shower, I could put more things in here. I don't know. I prefer this other than the other shower caddy. Other than the other shower caddy. And it has all these pockets and stuff. And they did have the one that you could like put your phone in it. But if I'm in the shower, I don't need my phone. So save me $1. Next thing I got is from Walmart. Oh my gosh. I got these hangers. I got like the white, I think it's gold. Yeah. Oh, white in the gold. Because they also had black and gold and something else in gold. But I wanted the black ones. But I don't like black and gold. Like these hangers right here are silver and gold. I mean silver and black. But I prefer the white and gold I prefer the white and gold rather than the black and gold. For more like in the decor area, I have these 2 plants. You see, if you watch my other dorm haul, you see I have this certain vase, and I needed plants, but I forgot to order the plants when I ordered the vase because they came together, but they didn't come together, but in the picture they came together, and I liked how it looked, and I forgot to order it. So then all my other plants weren't long enough to get for the vase, so I got these 2 from Michael's, I believe, and I just cut them. It's so really ratchet right now. I'm gonna have to like tape it or something because it looks dangerous. Next thing I got is this spray paint from Walmart, and the spray paint is a little ratchet. This is the only one that was my color, so I also got a discount off of it because it looks so ratchet. But it was the only one that was like my color, and it looked like that. So it's also from Walmart. I want to put the hand sanitizer in here so I can put it on my desk. I don't know, it's real aesthetic and I really like it, so there's that. And then one of the last things in my dorm haul, actually I was gonna show something else, but I'm gonna show this first. I got these silicone straws. I like the metal straws, but I don't know, I tend to bite on my straws, which is bad, and I can't do that with that. And I have a spec, it's called a spec? The Hydro Flask thing, and I can't fit the metal straw with the hole because it's like a horizontal opening for the straw. So the silicone straw will be better. That was from Walmart as well. And then I got this from TJ Maxx. I really wanted a fake plant, but I wanted a Buddha as well, and it was like 2 birds, 1 stone. That was so violent, oh my gosh. But yeah, and I don't know, I really like it because like when I see it, I think of like the mind is open and it's like growing, like, you see what I'm saying? You get it. And the last thing that I have for this haul is my bedding. I know, like, I have my friends, it was like, how you have a haul and you don't even have your bedding yet, and I was like, but it's just, okay, it's big, okay, it's white, it's big and it's white, and I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, I thought that was the last thing, but it's not. Hold, give me a second. It's not. Okay, I had a little intermission, but the last 3 things I got an Echo Dot, the little Amazon Alexa girl. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the mom shush her kids at the tennis match? Because they were making a racket.
So yeah, there's that. I also got a diffuser. I don't have the packaging, but here's a diffuser. I got the scents peppermint and jasmine, and it's like so great. And the official last thing I got is my electric kettle, because y'all know I like my tea. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. That was the end of this haul. There'll be one more haul coming out soon, and make sure you guys tune in to my last one and watch my last haul. And yeah, if you guys are going to college, comment what college you guys are going to. Let me know what it is, what's up. And y'all have a good morning or night wherever you guys are at, and be safe.
Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.